Once you have installed your Spanish keyboard, now we need to learn what buttons do we press on the keyboard to get accented characters, to get special characters like the ñ or the upside down question mark exclamation point. The first thing to remember is that when you press Control and the space bar together, that is going to change your language input. Either it's going to be the US keyboard for English or ES for Español. And you can see that in the bottom right-hand corner. ES means you're on your Spanish keyboard. If you hit Control and Shift, then it is going to change to US. You can also click on it with your mouse and manually change it by clicking the other one as well. All right, so if you're in US right now, hit the Control and the space bar key and make sure it's in ES. So the two buttons I'm talking about right here are the Control bar and the space bar. Hit them at the exact same time, Control and space. Okay. So the first thing we need to do is to be able to add an accent. That's actually really easy. All you have to do is hit the apostrophe button, which is right next to enter, and then the letter you want. All right, so if I hit apostrophe and A, I'll get an A with an accent. Apostrophe and E with an accent. Apostrophe and an I with an accent, so on and so forth. So that apostrophe is right here next to enter. So you hit this, let go, and then hit your vowel. So apostrophe plus an A will give you an accented A. Apostrophe, let go, then an E will give you an accented E. So pretty easy. Apostrophe, nothing will type, and then you hit the A, and it will show up. Apostrophe, nothing will type, then you hit the E, nothing will show up. All right, these are capitalizing because it's the first line of a letter, but if you need a capital, you hit apostrophe, shift, and then your letter, and it will automatically do that. Okay. Another one that is used a lot in Spanish is the ñ, the N with the tilde on it. All you're going to do is you just have to hit the semicolon and the colon button, which is one button over. If you just hit that button, that automatically is an ñ. That's it right there. If you want it to be capital, you're going to do shift and then the colon and semicolon button. So that one right there. Two other Spanish characters you're going to need are the upside down question mark and the upside down exclamation point. On a Spanish keyboard, if you hit the equal sign, an equal sign is an automatic upside down exclamation point. If you want to get an upside down question mark, you have to hit shift and the equal sign at the same time. And that's it. So just a quick recap. If you hit Control and the space bar, that's going to change your language. You always double check to see what language you're in down here in the bottom right-hand corner. Okay, so if you're noticing you're typing something for English or social studies class and you can't get to the semicolon and you're just getting ñs, make sure you switch back to the US keyboard. So that's Control and then Shift. To get an accent, you hit the apostrophe button, let go, and then hit A, E, I, O, or U, whatever letter you need. If you need a capitalized accent, you hit the apostrophe button, Shift, and while holding Shift, hit your letters. If you need the ñ, you hit the semicolon right here. If you need upside down exclamation point, you hit the equal bar or the equal button, plus sign. If you need upside down question mark, it's Shift plus the equal sign. And that's it. It's going to take a little bit of while to get used to, but once you get used to it, it'll be very